and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today our topic is, one of the subscriber asked me some solution. So he has some data in Excel file. So the thing is, we need to add the three columns: column A, column B, column C. So the sum of the total of column A, B, C should be updated in the column D. So he tried to do, but he's not able to do that, and he is getting some errors. He shared the XAML file to me. So now I'm just opening that XAML file, and we'll see what he did here, and we'll try to export what are the changes need to be done in this code. So first of all, I will change this path. So just I'm taking the Excel file path. This is done. After he's reading the sheet name and assign one variable, and he used for each data table, and he assigning the multiple things. Okay, he put one if condition here. Okay, just I will try to run this and I will check what is the error I'm getting. So based on that, I will remodify the code here. So it's running the bot. Okay, I'm moving this. He put some message box as well. Let me remove this breakpoint. Okay, next is scale 6. Okay, so here it's saying that integer value is not valid. Let me check this value. So here couple of things having the blank. I mean, if you see here having some blank columns are there. So we'll try to skip those blanks if you get. And here I will change some small things here. So I'm stopping this bot. Okay, first of all, let me check what type of variables we declared. DT, it's fine. And here he mentioned I. So here I will change to something different. I will make it as temp counter. Let me change this to as temp counter. So this is fine. And here he declared multiple things. Let me check what is he declared. A column B. Okay, I will arrange 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that, I will arrange. So before that, I told you now. So we need to skip some blank columns here. So for that purpose, I will take if condition and I will put the same thing in inside. So I will take the one if condition. This is my if condition. And let me take this condition here equals to blank. If it is blank, then we need to make it as 0. If it is not blank, then take it as it is value. So here my column C is there. Okay, A it's not there. So let me take this and I will assign one more variable with the name of A. This is done. So if when it is blank, I need to take this 0. So here I will change this variable type. Let me go and change this variable type to integer. So this is done. After I need to come down and I will put it else condition. In this else condition, okay, let me change the scope as well. Sequence text. Okay, it's fine. And here I need to take column A for 0. It throws its integer because sorry, it throws an error because it's everything in string. So let me convert it into the integer. So I will just take C int of this. So this is for column A. So I will make it here reading column A data, and I will just copy this and I will paste here downside and I will make it a comment as well reading column B data. And let me make it as here one. Okay, this should be B, and downside also should be B, and inside here one. So all are getting errors because he declared as a string. So now everything I will convert it to the integer. So column B, let me take it into the integer. So okay, column C also I will modify to integer. So anyway, downside I will use the column C. So this is for column C, and here it should be the 2. So because our index every time start from the 0, and this is C, and finally this should be the C. And here row of 2. Now this part is completed. So all three values are we taken, and now let me remove this unnecessary stuff downside and let it a total like that only. And removing comments, everything I removing from this part. Okay, and we need to update that cell. So for that I will take right cell. Okay, not this. I need to take another one. Okay, here my criteria is not showing, so I will make it as classic. And let me check whether I get the correct data. Okay. So you can use advanced as well, but as of now I go with the normal classic one. And this is a sheet one as it is. And here my column is, I think, T. Okay, here it should be the T. And here already I declared one variable now, which is called some temp counter dot to string. And here I will increment the temp counter. And here the value is total. Okay, again I need to convert to int, sorry, string. Everything is completed and now only the part is pending with this. So let me increment the counter. Counter plus 1. So it will increment the counter. And downside part also I remove. So first step, opening that Excel file and reading the data. After that, I declare one temp counter. And later, I mean, whatever the data I read in the data table and looping in that. So reading the column A, if column A having any blanks, so based on that condition, it will take. And similar for B and C. And here as giving one as a variable. So name it is called total. And whatever the data available in the total, it's appended to the our Excel workbook. So now let's save this workbook and running this prompt. So it's just started. Execution has been started, and okay, execution has been completed. Now I'm opening the Excel file here, and we can see the output. So this is the one of the approach which we can automate. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.